Tapas on the Strand food and drink tours pairing food and alcohol. Galveston, Texas tour designed for the adult beverage connoisseurs in mind who are also aspiring or dedicated foodies. This tour has something for any palate, whether experienced or untrained on diverse flavors. We give an all-inclusive experience with aficionados in mind, pairing food and alcohol at local restaurants and bars. Hopping through Galveston's downtown Strand district. Guests will get to sample fun new local exquisite culinary selections with some exclusively matched to adult beverages, adding a new twist to the island. You will enjoy our Galveston Island Foodie scene for an island time event to remember. Each designated stop has a signature or specialty drink paired with a gastronomical treat. Guests can sit back and relax without having to worry about crowds. The cost of the tour is $99.98. Discounts are available for seniors, veterans, firefighters, EMS, teachers, and law enforcement officers. Book directly, www.tasteofthestrand.com/foodtours.